Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a trucking company. With the constant need for the transportation of goods across various industries, starting a trucking company can be a lucrative venture with high demand. However, the road to success requires a significant upfront investment, ranging from $10,000 for a small used truck to over $500,000 for a larger fleet of 18-wheelers. You'll also need a strong foundation of industry knowledge, logistics, and fleet management skills. So are you ready to hit the road and explore the opportunities in the trucking industry? Let's discuss the required steps to starting your own trucking company. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose Zen Business and Busy because they are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. And get worry-free services and support to launch your business starting at $0 plus state fees. Also in Zen Business includes one optional free year of worry-free compliance that renews at $199 per year. They support small businesses at every stage. And Busy also provides 100% free formation, super fast filing speeds, first-year free registered agent, and free compliance reminders. In the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to start an LLC using Zen Business and Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. Okay, now let's get back in today's video. Considerations before starting a trucking company. Initial investment. Skills required. Demand. Location. Hours. Permits and licenses. Profit margin. Challenges. How to start a trucking company. 1. Create a business plan. Executive summary. Company description. Market analysis. Organization and management. Service or product line. Marketing and sales. Funding request. Financial projections. Appendix, for supporting documents. To avoid drowning in the details, set SMART goals. The SMART approach below will keep your plan and business from being too generic to drive value. Specific, use action words to describe the steps you'll take. Measurable, what metrics or data targets will flag your success or failure. Achievable, make targets realistic and attainable. Relevant, create goals that match your job functions. Time-bound, list specific timeframes, e.g., by the end of first quarter. 2. Choose a business structure. When choosing a business structure, most small startups opt to create an LLC. So you'll have to cough up a little extra money for state fees for an LLC. It's worth it for the peace of mind. Using an LLC formation service can streamline this process, leaving you with more time and energy to focus on running your business. For business taxes, both types of companies must report income and expenses on Schedule C of Form 1040. You'll pay taxes on your income, whether you take a paycheck or not. If you hire employees, both LLCs and sole proprietors must obtain an employer identification number from the IRS. Withhold payroll taxes. Pay payroll taxes. 3. Pick a business name. Your name should clearly reflect the general industry, e.g., trucking, hauling, freight, and the services you provide. Most states have an online business name database through their Secretary of State website. Search it to see if the name is taken. Once you establish an original name, visit the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website to ensure it isn't trademarked. Also check the availability of a domain name and register it. The more unique your business name, the more likely it's already in use, but you can get creative by adding extra words. 4. Register your trucking business. Register your business structure with your Secretary of State. Get an employer identification number. Obtain licensing and permits required by your state. Start with the list of state websites at the Department of Transportation. Sign up for general liability insurance rates. Commercial Truck Insurance HQ reports that most trucks hauling commodities must have a minimum of $750,000 of coverage. Review the insurance filing requirements on the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration website. Open a business bank account. Don't skimp on compliance. It may sound daunting, but in the trucking industry it just means dotting a few I's and crossing some T's. Look into a US.dot number, operating authority, heavy vehicle use tax, international registration plan, and BOC3 filing, among others. 5. Determine business costs. Before you acquire funds, calculate the fixed costs, ongoing expenses, and one-time costs. Fixed costs may include garage rental, monthly truck payments, and insurance. Ongoing costs could be fuel, utilities, taxes, and payroll. One-time costs include licensing or permits, signs, and office furniture and equipment. While a new commercial truck costs more, it also offers the assurance of fewer repairs and less maintenance, which can save money and prevent losses from downtime. First, I'll start a Zen business dashboard, then we'll show BZ. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. Scroll down a little and below the business type section, you will see the Start an LLC option. Click on the green button and your LLC formation process will begin. As you can see the 3 different types of package, then identify the LLC package and services that fit your needs and then get started, then put your business name and the state you want to form your LLC at. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, it says my business name is available for registration in the state of California. As you can see, they have this cool question-answer checkbox type interface that basically guides you through the whole LLC formation process. After that, it will ask you whether you want to get their registered agent service or not, then EIN and bank account. Once you are done with all information and payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 7 to 9 business days. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using BZ, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now let me just show you what types of services BZ provides to business owners. After arriving on their website here you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249, and this is the package I highly recommend, which filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553, operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. The Z is providing registered agent service free for 1 year, and after that, it's $119 per year. The Z is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, the Z will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to legal and then licenses and permits. Note, before taking out a loan or using a credit card, please confirm. When it comes to riba, it is considered haram in Islamic law. For Muslims, please see additional options for debit cards or other cards, as well as the proper procedure for obtaining a business loan. They can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, the Z will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Okay, now let's get back in today's video. 6. Purchase the necessary equipment. If you're not buying a truck outright, select a leasing financial plan. Most startup trucking companies will choose from these 3 options: operating lease, full service, term rental adjustment clause lease, lease purchase plans. What equipment will you buy? That depends on several factors. Are you driving within your state or across the country? E.g., do you need a truck cab with sleeper options? What will you be hauling? Livestock versus dry goods versus refrigerated items. Will you need to store, repair, and maintain multiple vehicles? You can always start with a single, basic vehicle and adjust your equipment inventory as you grow. 7. Market your trucking company. Marketing your new trucking business requires a mix of approaches, but you'll want to create a website first. Wix and Weebly are 2 great, out-of-the-box options with pre-made templates, or Zen Business offers websites. Claim your business on Google and add it to local business directories for a quick, high-return marketing jumpstart. Promote your business on social media platforms too, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Online freight boards can also help you find customers. Print collateral like brochures, business cards, and direct mail can help you drum up business, but word-of-mouth promotion works best for most new trucking firms at first. Doing top-notch, thorough work for a few bread-and-butter customers is a solid way to build a deep client list fast. Browse this list and choose the one that best fits your interests, budget, capabilities, and time commitment. For hire truckload carriers, earn revenue by hauling freight for other companies. Private fleets, work as a subcontractor for another trucking company. Less than truckload carriers, transport smaller loads for home or business delivery across the country. Household movers, help civilian, military, or business customers relocate locally or to another state. Intermodal, haul rail containers to and from a rail yard. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope it will help you start a trucking business in a legal way.